What is Kimi K1.5? Kimi 1.5 is a multimodal LLM trained with reinforcement learning, RL, and designed to excel in various reasoning tasks across text, vision, and coding domains by Moonshot AI. Key features of Kimi 1.5. Reinforcement learning, RL, training. Kimi 1.5 leverages RL to improve its reasoning capabilities, allowing it to explore and learn from rewards rather than relying solely on static datasets. The RL framework is designed to be simplistic yet effective, avoiding complex techniques like Monte Carlo tree search or value functions. Long context scaling. Kimi 1.5 scales its context window to 128K tokens, enabling it to handle longer reasoning chains and more complex problems. The model uses partial rollouts to improve training efficiency, reusing parts of previous trajectories to avoid regenerating new ones from scratch. Improved policy optimization. The model employs a variant of online mirror descent for robust policy optimization, combined with effective sampling strategies and length penalties to enhance performance. The policy optimization is designed to encourage the exploration of diverse reasoning paths, improving the model's ability to solve complex problems. What is online mirror descent? Multimodal capabilities. Kimi 1.5 is jointly trained on text and vision data, allowing it to reason across both modalities effectively. The model can handle tasks that require both textual and visual understanding, such as interpreting charts, diagrams, and other visual content. Long-to-short methods. Kimi 1.5 introduces techniques to transfer the reasoning capabilities of long chain of thought (COT) models to short COUNT-T models, improving their performance with limited token budgets. You can consider it similar to knowledge distillation in ML. Methods like model merging, shortest rejection sampling, and long-to-short RL are used to enhance token efficiency. Talking about its performance, the team has released benchmarks on long COT and short COT.